Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by setting up the core tools so you can code immediately. Install Unity Hub and an LTS editor, plus Visual Studio or VS Code with C# support, then open a new Unity project. Learn basic C# syntax, types, variables, methods, classes, and practice tiny console programs to build muscle memory. Once done, create a game object in Unity, add a new C# script, and open it. This first loop gets you from 0 to running code in the engine fast. Now you connect C# concepts to Unity patterns so systems behave predictably. Focus on mono behavior lifecycle methods like awake, start, update, and fixed update. Use each where timing matters. Add on destroy for cleanup. Make fields visible with public or serialize field, create prefabs, and link components via the inspector to avoid nulls. Then implement small mechanics, character movement, input handling, basic physics forces, and UI text updates, testing each change. To finish, refine and verify your work so projects are maintainable and stable. Refactor game logic into clear classes, apply events and interfaces to decouple systems, and keep scripts single-purpose. Test frequently in editor, use debug. Log for state checks, the profiler for performance, and add unit tests where feasible. Build a small playable demo, gather feedback, and iterate. If something breaks, check the console for errors. Verify null references in the inspector, and reproduce the bug stepwise. This isolates the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.